Learn English from zero daily conversation basics. Speak English confidently. Day 1 of 30-day challenge. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you have always wanted to speak English confidently but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today is day 1 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. In this lesson, we will learn daily conversation basics. By the end of this video, you will know how to greet people naturally, introduce yourself confidently, ask simple questions, answer common questions, start and continue a conversation, avoid common beginner mistakes, sound more natural in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to improve spoken English. Make sure you watch until the end because I have a speaking challenge and homework for you. Let's begin. What is daily conversation? Daily conversation means the English people use in everyday life. It is different from the English you learn in grammar books. Native speakers use simple words, short sentences, and natural expressions. For example, instead of saying, "I wish to know your name," people usually say, "What's your name?" Instead of saying, "I am feeling extremely delighted," most people simply say, "I'm happy." The goal of English is communication, not perfection. Remember this, simple English is good English. Many beginners think they need thousands of vocabulary words before speaking. That is not true. You only need a few hundred common words to start having conversations. Part 1. Greetings. The first step in every conversation is greeting someone. Let's learn the most common greetings. Formal greetings: good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you, how have you been, nice to meet you, it's a pleasure to meet you. Example: good morning, how are you, I'm fine, thank you, how about you, I'm doing well, thank you. Informal greetings: hi, hello, hey, what's up, how's it going, how are things. Example: hi, hey, what's up, not much. How about you? I'm good, thanks. Tip: use good night only when leaving or going to sleep. Don't say good night when meeting someone. Instead say good evening. Part 2. Introducing yourself. One of the first skills you need is introducing yourself. Simple introduction: hello, my name is Sarah, I'm from Canada, I'm a teacher, nice to meet you. Long introduction: hello everyone, my name is David. I'm 25 years old, I live in New York, I work as a software engineer. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, playing football, and traveling. I'm excited to improve my English and meet new people. Thank you. Important vocabulary: my name is, I live in, I work as, I study, I like, I enjoy, my hobby is. Pronunciation tip: don't say I am every time. Native speakers usually say don't say my name is, say my name is. Practice slowly. Part 3. Asking someone's name. Common questions: what's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? How old are you? What are your hobbies? What do you like? Example conversation: hello, hi, what's your name? My name is Emma. Where are you from? I'm from Australia. What do you do? I'm a nurse. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Part 4. Talking about yourself. Let's learn sentence patterns. I am, I have, I like, I don't like. I can, I can't. Examples: I am a student. I have 2 brothers. I like coffee. I don't like spicy food. I can swim. I can't drive. These 6 sentence patterns help you create hundreds of sentences. Part 5. Common beginner mistakes. Mistake 1. Myself, John. Correct: my name is John, or I'm John. Mistake 2. I am come from India. Correct: I come from India, or I'm from India. Mistake 3. How are you? I'm fine. And you? Correct: I'm fine. How about you? Mistake 4. She go to school. Correct: she goes to school. Mistake 5. He don't like coffee. Correct: he doesn't like coffee. Part 6. Essential daily expressions. Please, thank you, you're welcome, excuse me, sorry. No problem, of course, that's okay. See you later, have a nice day, take care, nice talking to you. Practice these every day. Part 7. Real-life conversation examples. 48 o'clock, 58 o'clock. Conversation 1. Meeting someone: hi, hello, I'm Alex. What's your name? I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from England. How about you? I'm from Australia. What do you do? I'm a student. That's great. Have a wonderful day. You too. Bye, bye. Conversation 2. At school: good morning. Good morning. Are you new here? Yes, I'm David. Welcome. Thank you. Which class are you in? I'm in class 10. Great. Let's go together. Conversation 3. At work: hello, good morning. I'm your new colleague. Welcome to the team. Thank you. Where is the meeting room? It's on the 2nd floor. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Speaking challenge: pause the video. Introduce yourself in English. Use these questions: what is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? What is your dream? Speak for 1 minute. Don't worry about mistakes. The more you speak, the faster you improve. Daily practice tips. Tip 1. Speak every day, even for 5 minutes. Tip 2. Think in English instead of translating from your native language. Tip 3. Learn complete phrases, not just individual words. Tip 4. Listen to native speakers and repeat what they say. Tip 5. Record your voice and compare your pronunciation. Tip 6. Read English aloud to improve fluency. Tip 7. Learn 5 to 10 new words each day and use them in sentences. Tip 8. Don't fear mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. Homework challenge: write these sentences in English. 1. Introduce yourself in 10 sentences. 2. Write 5 hobbies you enjoy. 3. Write 5 things you like. 4. Write 5 things you don't like. 5. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Post your introduction in the comments so we can practice together. Conclusion: congratulations. You have completed day 1 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today, you learned how to greet people, introduce yourself, ask simple questions, answer confidently, and use everyday English expressions. Remember, becoming fluent doesn't happen overnight. It happens through consistent daily practice. Every conversation, every sentence, and every mistake helps you improve. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss day 2, where we'll talk about my daily routine and learn how to describe our day naturally in English. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.